Hello, and welcome to Video 7, Student Growth Targets. In this video, you will gain an understanding of how to prepare your scores for data entry, how to enter your pre-assessment scores and growth targets, and how to explain why these are the right targets for these students. If you remember, in an earlier video, we said that you would be unable to enter growth targets on the same day as you enter the student population. This is because the data uploads overnight. So you will go to this step on the next day. As you prepare for this step, make sure that you have your test scores handy. This will speed up the process. This is one of those elements where the content does not follow the specific order in your SLO template, and entering the data will be the first step. Remember that editing the elements happens in the SLO Development tab. If the SLO elements do not appear, click on the plus sign next to SLO Development. Now click on Actions in front of Student Growth and Manage. The first thing that will appear looks like a spreadsheet portion of the SLO. To add the scores, click on Edit. Now enter the date for the pre-assessment using the day-day, month-month, year-year approach. So January 15th would be 01/15/2013. You can copy and paste the date in the rest of the date boxes. Next, enter your pre-assessment test scores for every student. Then enter your post-assessment target score for each student. Save now. You will note that our data did not save here, but that is just a glitch in our video. So there is more information on the template that we need to complete. To get those additional pieces of information, click on New. In the first text box, describe how students performed on the pre-assessment. This is a summary of their performance and does not need to be overly detailed. Here we identify the students as low scorers and the range of their scores. Secondly, you will be asked to describe your approach to targets. Are they tiered targets as we see in this example, or did you use some other method for setting targets? Lastly, you will be asked to explain why these targets are both rigorous and attainable. Do you have knowledge of how students have scored on a similar test in the past and how they were able to pass the class in the end? Enter that now. You want to click on Save when you're done, and then the back button to return to the list of elements. Once all of the elements are complete, the next step would be to submit an SLO for approval, and that will be the next in our series of videos. Thank you very much.